Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of the week so far. And welcome to this new video on Celestia, which we have some things to correct, all right? Because last time around, I used to always analyze Celestia on the 1 hour time frame, and the main support level for me was always 5.5. And I said, if that breaks, it's most likely to drop down lower. Which that level did break, as you can see here. In the last 2 days, but in the end, I think I identified the consolidation wrong, all right? And if you zoom out to the 4 hour time frame, you'll also see that it's a little bit more likely that the whole consolidation range, which Celestia is in right now, because Celestia is consolidating, the ADX, as you can see right now, has been below 20 since Saturday. So that means that the market is not trending. And if the market is not trending, it is ranging, right? Or neutral, whatever you want to call it. The EMAs are also practically flat. So that's the situation. But it seems to me that the consolidation range, which TIA really is in, is between 4.9/$5, which is obviously a major support level. And then you have this main resistance level right here, let's say between 6.3 and 6.4. That's the main resistance. And then usually what you see is that if the market is consolidating, that the EMAs, or at least the moving averages, are in the middle of the consolidation. And with this range, that would also be confirmed. So then the big question obviously is, well, what is Celestia going to do? Will it get that bullish breakout, break above 6.4 and rally up higher? Or is it more likely that Celestia will continue its, in the end, it's been a little bit more bearish than bullish, all right? It has touched that support level at 5.5 and then here at the bottom more around 5.2, way more often than a resistance at 6.25. So that seems to indicate that there's more selling pressure. But yeah, in the end, if you just want an easy to understand technical analysis, this is the situation, and the market will start trending at some point of time again. We'll get one of these breakouts, either below 4.9 or above 6.4, and then you'll know what the market is probably going to do. But obviously, most of you want more info, so let's talk about it. All right. If you look at Celestia right now, if I can look that up real quick. If you look at it right now, you can see the open interest is kind of stable over the last week, but over the last day, you can actually see incremental increases, right? So at least up until yesterday evening, since then it has dropped down a bit and stabilized. But that is interesting. And there are also the correlation between Celestia and Bitcoin is also still very low. So it's hard to say. It really is. I would say at this moment, given the development of the open interest in the last day, I would say it's a little bit more likely to get some bullish momentum here. So to see Celestia go up to 6.2, 6.4, I would say that's a bit more likely. But it's I'm just going to be honest with you. It's very hard for me to say whether it's more likely to break above 6.4 later and then rally up to 7.5. for Celestia, or that it's more likely that it will hit that top, trend down towards 4.9 again, and then drop down below that to drop down towards $4. It's going to be one of these two scenarios, but for now, I wouldn't know, all right? So what I'm going to tell you, and you might not like that, but I'm sorry, I will not tell you anything I don't believe in. I think it's likely that Celestia will test the resistance right now. If at that moment the volume has increased a lot, then there's a chance it breaks above that. But for now, I would say it's more likely that Celestia will find resistance there and then drop back down and stay in this consolidation. All right. And then when something happens, when I see a little bit more clarity and structure in the markets, I'll keep you updated on that as soon as possible. But for now, this is what I see. And this is, in my view, the situation of the market. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you on my next videos. And lastly, I almost forgot, there are links to my own premium and Signal group down in the description if that sounds interesting. It's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.